Okay, so hi, I'm at the Robert Kiyosaki convention here in London Excel, and I've just sat next to this great young budding entrepreneur. Could you just tell me what your name is and what you do very quickly?
Okay, my name is Nathan. I've got a background in performing. I'm a singer, but due to this Kiyosaki's influences, I'm now building a business in internet marketing.
Internet marketing, so great. And what have you learned from this seminar that you would take away and use?
From this seminar, I mean, I know these principles anyway because I'm very familiar with the work, but it's cementing what I know and it's showing me that I am in the right place and I am doing the right things.
Okay, so how would you describe these principles in a sentence?
The principles?
These principles.
In a sentence, it is...
Okay, let me make it... Were you going to answer it?
I can give you what I sort of tell my friends.
Okay, do it in a sentence. I'll shut up. Go for it.
I can say it in a few sentences. Okay, you need to know the difference between passive income and earned income.
Passive income, what's that?
So, passive income is where you get paid for not doing anything. So, earned income, you go to a job like McDonald's, you will go and sell burgers.
Yep.
But you want to be the person who has the asset. Mr. McDonald does not work at McDonald's, but he makes the millions for having the asset. So he gets the passive income, and his workers get the earned income. And
but he has worked for it though at one stage.
Yeah, I mean, probably you're going to have to do the hard work, flip the burgers, create the system, and then get other people to run it.
I got it. So tell me something. What is the difference between an asset and a liability?
So assets put money in your pocket, liabilities take money out of your pocket.
Okay, and what are the 4 asset classes that Robert Kiyosaki always bangs on about?
Well, this is it. I mean, I was aware of them, but I didn't. This is one of the things that I've learned, was the 4 asset classes.
Yeah.
So you've got business,
Yeah.
which I highly recommend you learn how to create.
Yeah.
You have property.
Yep.
You have commodities.
Yep.
And you have paper assets.
Very well done. And which ones are you heading towards?
At the moment, I am building a business, and I'm also investing in commodities.
Okay, so we've had a lot of talk here today about how fiat currency. I know you might know. Do you know what fiat currency is?
Yeah, fiat currency is basically like paper money. It's what they print.
Okay.
Dollars, pounds, every single.
And what about that paper money? What's the good or what's bad about it?
It's good. I mean, it runs the system. I mean, it is a system in place, and we do need some kind of currency. The bad thing is that it's now not pegged to anything, so people can just print it and print it and print it, and so basically your currency is losing value. So if you have money in the bank, it is slowly getting robbed.
Yeah. Okay, so where would you rather have? I'm going to pass you these 2 things here. If you lift them up to the camera, I'll pass. I'll look at it. What is that?
This is a Canadian maple leaf.
And what is it?
And it's 0.999% silver.
Would you rather have your money in fiat currency or in that?
I actually have my money in this, funny enough.
You do?
Yeah.
We found a silver investor.
Yeah. Well, I read one of Rich Dad books, Mike Maloney's Gold and Silver.
Yeah.
And it showed me what was going on with the economy, what was happening, and I made my first investment, which was I put all the money that I had at the time into silver and gold.
Gold. What about this one here? What's that?
This
Hold up to the camera.
A South African Krugerrand.
Let me just zoom in on that. So, since you've invested in gold and silver, has your value increased?
Yeah, I made my investment about coming up to 2 years ago now, and I timed it pretty well. I bought in a dip, so my investment is currently up about 50%, so that's 25% a year. Right, well, by leaving this, I'm probably going to make another investment in silver. It's the only asset class that is 70% undervalued still. I don't really have the capital for property yet. That is going to be a future investment. I will be building my business, put another investment into silver, which eventually will be sold for property.
Great. Sean, was it your name?
Nathan.
Nathan, apologise for that. Nathan, I want to thank you very much for your time. I wish you all the best in the future.
Thank you very much.
Remember, don't believe the hype. And keep working hard today for tomorrow.